Welcome class 10 students. Today exercise number 9.2. It is question number 7 and 8. अभी जो आपके मैंने दो क्वेश्चन इस पर लिखे हैं. Question number 7 is two concentric circles with radius 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Find the length of the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle. This question number 7. And question number 8 is prove that the angle between the tangents drawn from external point to a circle is supplementary to the angle subtended by the segment joining the point of contact. You are given two questions. Now let's try question number 7 first. It is two concentric circles, radius 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. We are given two concentric circles. ऐसे हमें two concentric circles given है. With radius 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. आप अपनी पेंसिल और कंपास नील से दो सर्कल देंगे ऐसे. आई विल शो. तो विद दिस आप स्केल के मदद से 3 सेंटीमीटर रेडियस एक सर्कल लेंगे और विद सेम सेंटर 5 सेंटीमीटर एक और सर्कल हम लेंगे. तो ये जो दो सर्कल्स है दीज आर कंसेंट्रिक सर्कल्स, मीन्स द सर्कल्स विद सेम रेडियस. इनका रेडियस जो है वो सेम है. Here, two concentric circles with radius 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter with the help of scale and compass. You can draw two circles of radius 3 centimeter, one radius 3 centimeter and with same center of radius 5 centimeter. ऐसे आप तीन सर्कल्स दो सर्कल्स डालेंगे एक ही रेडियस पर. पहले ये सर्कल डालेंगे 3 सेंटीमीटर रेडियस है और दूसरा जो ये है इसका 5 सेंटीमीटर रेडियस है. On your notebook and find the length of the chord of the larger circle. A chord AB is drawn which touches the circle, smaller circle. A chord AB is drawn. इस तरह एक chord भी है जो सर्कल स्मॉलर सर्कल को टच करता है एट पॉइंट P. Means AB is chord for larger circle and it is tangent for smaller circle. Because the circles are concentric with same center. If we join OP, it is 3 centimeter. Because the radius of smaller circle is 3 centimeter, and if we join OA, on joining OA is 5 centimeter. Because the radius of larger circle is 5 centimeter. So we have to find the length of AB. Length of AB is equal to AP plus PB. AP plus PB. This is length of AP. AB. तो इस तरह आप को क्वेश्चन समझ आया. नाउ AOP या APO it is a right angle triangle. That is angle OPA is equal to 90 degree. Angle OPA it is 90 degree. Now we have in triangle APO. We have in triangle APO we have hypotenuse square, that is AO square is equal to AO square is equal to OP square plus AP square. OA square, it is 5 centimeter square. OP is 3 centimeter. AP, we have to find this. हमें AP निकालना है. This is by Pythagoras theorem. ये आप याद रखेंगे. This is by Pythagoras theorem. PGT. It is 25 is equal to 9 plus AP square. Now, I can write this AP square is equal to 25 minus 9, that is AP square is equal to 16. 25 minus 9, 16, or AP is equal to under root 16, that is 4 centimeter. तो हमें AP निकला, it is 4 centimeter, but AP is equal to PB or AB chord, जो आप chord सर्कल में है, AB is equal to twice AP, that is AB is equal to 2 into 4, it is 8 centimeter. इस तरह हमने लेंथ ऑफ द chord ऑफ ग्रेटर सर्कल निकाली, जो AB है वो 8 सेंटीमीटर है. तो आप ये प्रूफ करेंगे, ये आप खुद भी ट्राई करेंगे. तो जैसे मैंने आपको दिखाया कि विद द हेल्प ऑफ योर पेन, दिस स्केल एंड कंपास, यू कैन ड्रॉ a neat and clean 2 concentric circles. This was question number 7. Now it is question number 8. Here it is question number 8, जो अभी मैंने पढ़ा. Prove that the angle between the two tangents drawn from external point is supplementary. Again, a circle is given. A circle is given with center O and radius R. फिर आप अपना जो कंपास उठाएंगे वो अपनी नोटबुक पर विद एनी रेडियस दिस सर्कल, यू कैन ड्रा सर्कल विद डिजायर्ड रेडियस, जो आपकी मर्जी है. इसका रेडियस गिवन नहीं है, रेडियस इज नॉट गिवन, बट it is a circle is given and a point is here, external point, say it is point P here, and two tangents are drawn from this external point to the circle. Two tangents are drawn from this external point to the circle. ऐसे में आप दूसरा tangent भी ले सकते हैं. The tangent touches this circle here at B and here at A. तो आप with the help of your scale you can draw neat and clean figure. This O is center. By you have to join this and this. Also you have to join OP. Because prove that the angle between the two tangents drawn from external point point P से हमने to the circle is supplementary with the angles subtended by the center. So you have to prove that angle OAP plus angle OBP is 180 degree by supplementary. Two angles are said to be supplementary if their sum is 180 degree. इसको आप हमने प्रूव करना है. You have to prove that angle OAP and OBP, these and the angle sum of these two angles is 180 degree. Dear students, जैसे कि आप देखते हैं कि A B B O या A O B P is a quadrilateral. Sum of angles of quadrilateral is 360 degree. Since but it is a cyclic quadrilateral. PA and PB are tangents. These are two tangents. OA perpendicular AB, OB perpendicular BP. So, because a tangent through radius is perpendicular to the circle, therefore angle OAP is 90 degree. Angle OAP is 90 degree. इस तरह के आपने क्वेश्चन किए हैं. Angle OAP is 90 degree also. Angle OBP it is also 90 degree. These are 90 degree angles. When we add these, say it is first and second, by adding first and second we have angle OAP plus angle OBP, it is 180 degree. 90 plus 90 degree, it is 180 degree. So we say angle subtended by the tangents is supplementary. जो अभी आप this completes our exercise of circles. तो इस तरह आप इसका रिवीजन भी करेंगे. अगर कोई क्वेश्चन आपको समझ में नहीं आया तो मुझे आप फीडबैक देंगे कि थ्रू व्हाट्सएप कि ये फलानी क्वेश्चन हमें समझ नहीं आया, पर मैं आई विल ट्राई माय बेस्ट. आपको दोबारा दिखाने में कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगी. Thank you.